Setting up a Mailchimp campaign for Black Friday sales is easier than you might think. In just a few simple steps, you can have a high converting campaign that will make your Black Friday promotion stand out. Stick with me through this video because I'll show you the exact steps to set up your campaign efficiently, and you'll also discover some exclusive tips to make sure you get the best results. First things first, before you even start creating your Mailchimp campaign, make sure your list is prepped and ready. It's essential to have a clean, organized email list of people who are likely to engage with your Black Friday offers. You can either import your existing list into Mailchimp or use a custom audience that you've built through their platform. Next thing, go ahead and set up a campaign. In Mailchimp, go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. From here, you can select the Email option and choose Regular Campaign. This is where the magic happens. Name your campaign something specific like Black Friday Sale 2025 so it's easy to identify when you're reviewing campaign results later. You don't want to be searching through multiple unnamed campaigns in your Mailchimp dashboard. Now, the fourth thing, let's dive into designing your email. Mailchimp has easy-to-use drag-and-drop tools that make it simple to design an attractive email that matches your brand style. You'll want to use attention-grabbing visuals for your Black Friday promotions, like a strong banner or a call-to-action button. If you need to include discount codes or promotions, be sure to highlight them in bold text to grab attention. Fifth thing, personalize your message. Mailchimp has a fantastic personalization feature that lets you insert a subscriber's first name, making the email feel more personal. This little touch can really increase engagement and make your recipients feel like the deal was made just for them. For Black Friday sales, you can also set up special segmentation to target people based on their past purchases or interests. Next, focus on the subject line. A great subject line will get your recipients to open your email. Keep it short, enticing, and relevant. Something like, Black Friday deals are here. 50% off everything is a good starting point. A strong subject line combined with personalization will lead to better open rates, which is key to a successful Black Friday campaign. Now, let's move on to the sending schedule. You don't want to blast your Black Friday email too early, but you also don't want to wait too long. I recommend sending it out a few days before Black Friday to build anticipation, and then follow up with a reminder email the day before or on Black Friday itself. You can use Mailchimp's scheduling feature to automatically send your campaign at the optimal time. Finally, after your campaign is sent, it's time to track your results. Mailchimp offers detailed analytics to show you open rates, click-through rates, and more. Use this data to refine future campaigns and make tweaks for even better results next time. One last thing to keep in mind, if you're new to Mailchimp, or if you're looking to try it out, you can use it completely free by signing up through the link in the description below. Plus, when you sign up today, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses to supercharge your Black Friday campaign. Remember, setting up a Mailchimp campaign for Black Friday sales doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can create a campaign that engages your audience, boosts conversions, and helps you take advantage of one of the busiest shopping days of the year. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial and bonuses using the first link below, and start setting up your Black Friday sales campaign today.